Good morning, Australia. We are walking into a brutal start for the trading week. Overnight, Wall Street was hammered by a combination of surging oil and safe haven flows, and our own futures have just confirmed the damage. The ASX SPI 200 future is pointing down a massive 1.84% this morning. We are looking at a gap down that could wipe 150 points off the ASX 200 in the first minutes of trade. I'm Jay, and this is your morning bell. Wall Street capped off its fourth straight losing week on Friday. The Nasdaq tumbled 2%, the S&P 500 fell 1.5%, and the Dow dropped 444 points. The culprit? The Iran conflict has entered a new, more dangerous phase. Brent crude surged 3.3% to settle at $112.19 as the market prices in a long-term disruption to the Strait of Hormuz. U.S. Treasury yields also leaped, with the 10-year hitting 4.38%. This is a massive risk-off signal. Investors are fleeing to the U.S. dollar and dumping everything else. In the pits, commodities are telling a story of two different worlds. Oil is the monster. Brent crude surged past US $112 the barrel over the weekend. With reports of attacks on LNG facilities in Qatar and the Strait of Hormuz effectively a no-go zone, the supply shock is real. Gold, still struggling after its 11% weekly flush, hovering around US $4,500. It's caught between safe haven demand and a surging US dollar. Iron ore, holding steady at US 105/77. It's providing a base for the big miners, but those high diesel costs from the oil spike are starting to eat into margins for BHP and Rio Tinto. In an unprecedented move over the weekend, Energy Minister Chris Bowen warned Australians to prepare for the worst as fuel supply beyond April remains uncertain. The government is now officially encouraging anyone who can to work from home and switch to public transport to preserve our dwindling diesel and petrol reserves. We've already seen 100-plus stations in Nessa run dry. This isn't just a servo problem anymore. This is a productivity shock. If the CBDs empty out again, watch for a massive sell-off in REITs, office trusts, and retailers today. The ASX 200 is testing the 8,280 floor this morning. If that breaks, the psychological 8,000 mark is the next stop. Take the government's advice. Stay home if you can, protect your capital, and watch the energy sector. We'll be back at the After Bell update. Trade Smart Australia.